Alright, so welcome to Akele Mathematics class. So we have a problem on the board that we want to solve. As you can see, it's a problem from where? Radical equation. And we have to solve the equation. The equation says the square root of the expression s squared minus 3s plus 36 minus the square root of the expression s squared minus 3s plus 9 is equal to what? 3. And we have to solve for x. Now, if you look at this problem, it looks very scary, but if you are able to think around it, you are able to what? Find a simpler way of what doing that. And that is what we are coming to do here. Under normal circumstances, we have to either send this one across, then we'll take what? Square of both sides. But doing so will lead us into bigger problems. Hence, we want to find a simpler way of what doing that. So when you observe the expression in the radical sign, or what you call the radicand, you see something is common. You see, I can write this to look like this. Therefore, I can write here 9. So if I put 27 here, 9 plus 27 is exactly equal to 36. And therefore, I'm able to think around this. So if you look at this, I can see something is common. So let me put this expression in bracket, so that the same expression is here and the same expression is here. Then I'll use the principle of what? Substitution. So we say let y be equal to the expression x squared minus 3s plus 9. And so this side of the equation reduces to y plus 27. And the other side also reduces to just y. And then we have this. So you can see that this equation now looks very simple to solve. So we group like terms. And so we're going to have y plus 27 is equal to what? 3 plus root y. Alright, so we want to find y and hence x. So we have to square both sides. So let us do it at this side. So we square both sides of the equation. Doing so, the square will cancel the square root, and we have x, y plus 27. And with this one, you can use simple Pascal triangle to do this expansion. So that is going to be 9 plus 6 root y plus y. So the square of the first term, the product of the first and the second times 2, and then the square of the last one. So we can group like terms. So we have y minus y, then 27 minus 9. Alright. So on the right hand side, we will left with just 6 root y. 6 root y. So here gives us what? 18 and then 6 root y. We can reduce this equation by dividing through by what? 6. So 18 over 6 is 6 root y also over 6. And so this will cancel out this, and we have 3 equal to what? Root y. And we can easily find what? The value of y. So we square both sides, and then we get 9 is equal to y. And that's the same as y is equal to what? 9. But what do we know? We said for purpose of what? Solving the question, we did an earlier substitution, and that was y is equal to this. So we said, but y is equal to what? X squared minus 3s plus 9. And so since our y was 9, we just substitute it here. We get 9 is equal to x squared minus 3s plus 9. And so this 9 will cancel out this, and we have what? S squared minus 3x. If this minus this gives 0, so you get what? 0. Therefore, you factorize x and you have x minus 3 here equal to 0. So be careful. Some of the students, when they see this, they don't even know that it's quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation with no constant term. Therefore, you can factorize what? X. And so you have x is equal to 0, or this expression also equal to 0. So you get x is equal to what? 3. Now, these two values, x equal to 0 or x equal to 2, are potential values of what? The solution to the equation. But we do not know whether it is true, so we have to do the final steps. When you are doing radical equation, you need to what? Test whether your values obtained satisfy what? The equation. Hence, when we put 0 here, we get 0, 0. This side gives us 36. When you substitute 0 here, you get 0, 0, 9. Root of 36 is 6. Root of 9 is what? 3. And 6 minus 3 is 3. And so 0 is true. We also test 3 and see. If I substitute 3 here, that gives me 9. 3 times 3 also 9. And this one gives us also 0. So we're leaving root 36, and that is 6. If we put 3 here, 9. 3 here, also 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Leaving square root of 9, and square root of 9 is also what? 3. So 6 minus 3 is also what? 3. And therefore, x equal to 0 or x equal to 3 are the solution that satisfies this what? Radical equation. I hope everybody is clear here. And so, if you want to enjoy more of this video, you just have to subscribe to what? Akele Mathematics, and more will follow. Thank you.